Hey, what's up my good people? Jeff CarBuoy here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up the clock on the this is a Subaru Forester, and this particular one is a 2015 Subaru Forester. So the setting screen is going to be this one right here, and select us to set up the clock on the power steering right here. See right here, these three buttons right here. So we're going to select set, place, and pull and hold like that. And what is happening right here, it will show, you see, date, and we're gonna select date, and then we're gonna select we're gonna place this button down here until we come to the time right there. If you want to do it 12 hour, once you select hour, you place this set button. See what will happen. There'll be two arrows, one facing down and one up, and then right now we're going to set it at around 2. We're going to once you select the time, we're gonna go to set. We're gonna hit set, and then we go to minute, set. It's about 14:16. Let's put 17, set, and that's how you set the clock. Let's set the time as well. Let's set the date as well. We are in 2026. And I'm using just these 3 buttons. Today's date is it 26 or 25? And it's January, yeah. So once you finish setting, you gotta bring the arrow to the set right there, and then hit set, and setting is complete. Let's go to the main, and there we go. It has already set 2:22. That's how you set up the clock on a Subaru Forester 2015. Stay tuned. See you guys on the next one.